How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Store Finds. Today I'm at Walmart. Look for the holiday trucks, which they should have. God, I hope they have. Crap, they don't. Well, I mean, what should I expect, really? No matchbox indeed. Well, maybe they'll have the holidays somewhere else. But looks like they have some newer Hot Wheels out. First, check the Monster Jams. Except there's no case G in here anywhere. Oh, freaking Spider-Man. I've been to Walmart in a while, so well, maybe they have a dump in somewhere. It's usually they don't put out new Hot Wheels unless there is one. Shoot, I was really expecting the holiday trucks, but it might be like hidden somewhere else. Sometimes they come in like shippers. But I don't know. Or I come in ask or something like that. Okay. Well, we have we have one, of course. Anyway, ooh, they do have M2s. You know, they worth checking out. Guess so. 9,800 pieces worldwide. Okay. They're nice trucks. Hey guys, let me scavenge through some stuff and I'll catch back with you later. Cheese pieces in that. I never have any Auto Worlds anymore, which is weird, but yeah, let me look around for holiday trucks. Well, bingo. El Toro Loco. I'm telling you, they're probably not gonna have all the ones that I want. Dragon, Prowler, Dragon Prowler, Team Hot Wheels, Team Hot Wheels.
Do they have Call of Duty Legos?
Alright guys, got the holiday trucks, yes! Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna look around, see if there's possible dumping anywhere, and I'll be right back. Okay, that's gonna wrap it up for this in-store finds. So we have Holiday Dragon, Holiday Prowler, this one, Holiday Team Hot Wheels, which is a new one this year, and Holiday El Toro Loco. Awesome guys, thank you all for watching, and as always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.